Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. If you are new here, please consider joining the family by hitting that red subscribe button and clicking the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So okay guys, let's jump right in. So today I'm just showing you guys how I set up my coffee station or my coffee bar for the spring. I kind of just went in and just switched out some things and just took out a lot of my winter decor and just added in some nice florals and spring colors and things like that. So I'm just giving you guys here an overview of my coffee station and what it's looking like so far. And I got the inspiration from this beautiful Hello Gorgeous mug. I showed you guys this mug in a recent haul from, I believe, Ross Stores, and I just absolutely love this mug. I love the beautiful gold letters that it has on it. Then I love that the handle is pink and has a pink interior. So I absolutely love that, and I think it complements my Keurig really nicely. So for Easter or for spring, what I did was I kept it simple and kept it minimum on here. So what I did was I just kind of incorporated some beautiful kind of glam Easter eggs that I hauled from Ross. So I added that in my little cake stand there with some beautiful rose artificial like lavender roses, and I think it looks really good. So I like that in there, so I went ahead and just added that. And then also I found this cute little rabbit bowl from TJ Maxx, and it's just a little white rabbit with his leg kind of hanging over the bowl. I thought it was like super cute. So I'm using that to kind of house my teas and everything, because I'm the only one in my house that really drinks coffee. My husband doesn't really drink any coffee like that. So I'm using that little rabbit bowl to house our black teas and things like that. And then the next item that I added was I found this cute little 3-tier tray here from Home Goods. It was $19.99. I thought it was so cute, so adorable, and I thought this would be a perfect little stand to house my extra K-cups and my coffee creamers and even sugar and things like that. But what I did was I put creamer in my K-cups on the two bottom tiers, and then on the top tier I used that to decorate and display my spring items. So what I did was I got this little lavender bunny from, I believe I got that bunny, it may have been from Walmart. I'm not sure where I got that bunny from, but it wasn't that expensive. But I added that with some another rose on top, and then I added some of those additional glam eggs that I hauled from Ross, and I think it looks really nice and complements my coffee bar area really well. Then to add another little spring touch, I went in and added this cute little faux floral arrangement that I had lying around the house, and I thought this was a perfect little display of spring and everything with the flowers and everything, and the cream and neutral color. So I thought it would look really nice on my coffee station. So I just added that there, and I got it sitting on top of this little small kind of cupcake stand or whatever like that, and as a little display, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And then I have my regular coffee cups there on my stand, and then I also have these cute little containers that I bought from Amazon, and they were $18.95 for the pair. You probably seen this in my previous coffee station video, but it was $18.99 for the pair, and then you get the sugar bowl and the creamer, and then the spoon has a cute little saying on there that says sugar baby, and I think that's absolutely adorable. So I have that, and then I'm using this marble tray. If you see there, I have this marble tray that I hauled from Ross Stores. I think it was maybe 2 weeks ago. I hauled it from Ross Stores, and I shared this guys with you with my shop with me video on there. And this little marble stand, or a marble piece of marble, basically, I think it was like $7.99. So I thought it was a really good deal. It's really heavy, and I'm using it kind of as my anchor point to display all of my items and everything like that. So I just got my canisters in the back sitting on there, and these canisters are absolutely gorgeous. I got these canisters from Home Goods like around, it was during Christmas time when I got them, but I thought it complements my kitchen and my decor, everything. It has a little gold in there. It's white with little gold design on it, gold and gray design on it, and I thought it was like absolutely cute. And they were really inexpensive. They were like $7.99 a piece, and then the lids are like bamboo lids, so it's really cute, really adorable. So I just use that to house my additional K-cups and my additional coffee creamer. No, my additional K-cups and my additional black teas and everything like that. And it works out pretty well for this space here. Then I just went in and added some beautiful decorative straws, and then I found this clear glass vase from Dollar Tree, and then I just went in and added these beautiful straws that I bought from Amazon. I got a packet of 100 for, I think it was about maybe $5.99 or something like that from Amazon.com. And then all of the straws have like a variety of different kind of pastel colors in it. So it has like pink and white stripe. It have pink and white like zigzag, pink and gold, and then pink and white, white and gold. It's like really, really cute. And I thought it'd be really festive and appropriate for the spring season. So I just got that there. So, and that's it, you guys. So that's my little coffee bar station, and I'm absolutely loving it. And I like it because it can kind of get me through the whole summer if I wanted to. All I probably have to take out is maybe like the Easter decor, the eggs and the rabbits, and then add something else. But the way it's set up, it'll take me all the way through the rest of the spring season as well as the summer. And I'm really liking how it's looking. Everything looks so fresh and just airy and clean. And I'm just ready for the spring season to begin. So I like it. It looks very, very pretty and very cute. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing and becoming part of the family. I would love to have you, and make sure you click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and I wanted to tell you guys too, before I go, about my little coffee station sign. This sign has been there for a while. You guys probably seen it if you watch my older videos. But yeah, that coffee station sign I bought from Amazon as well. I think it was like $12.95 or something like that, and then with shipping it ended up being like maybe $15 or something like that. But the company that I ordered it from, they will add your name to it at the top, and I thought that was a cute little unique way to put your little coffee station sign on there. And I think it came in two colors, like this chocolate color, and then I think it came in like a white color too as well. But I love it. It just says Trina's Coffee Station on there, open 24 hours, and I thought that was really cute and adorable. And I just got it hanging up there with some little command strips and everything like that, and I think it looks cute. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.